Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Line Studio tutorial 83, and today's topic is how to add a marching dots animation in Concept Sketcher in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select Concept Sketcher as the feature. And the next page you would be redirected to is the Concept Sketcher canvas. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, that is how to do CPU scheduling and process arrival job ready queues. And this diagram got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. Today we are talking about the animations, so kindly go to this animation panel and click on this marching dot animation. And you would see that dots have started marching around the edges and showing the flow of the diagram. If you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot spacing, you can do it from here. If you want to update the animation speed, you can use this bar. And if you want to work on the depth fade of these dots, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to update the glow intensity, you can do it from here. So basically adding a marching dot animation in Concept Sketcher helps you to make your diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.